Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Oh my goodness, guys, it's been a long time since I take up the camera to vlog. And finally, today, as you can see, I'm in the farm again after a long time. So in today's video, there's a lot of questions that came up in the comment section. Someone even reached out to me during this period that I took a break of YouTube. So they reached out to me demanding, like, they want to start a plantain farm, like how the process and everything you need to start. So I'll be making a short video on different video regarding to that topic. But today we are in the farm here, plantain farm here. I want to show you guys around. I also come here today to harvest some plantains. Sorry about the wind. If there's any noise, it's the wind. So getting here today, there's a lot of damages, a lot of plantain fell down because of the wind. You know that it has been long since it rained. So raining now, the wind, the breeze is just blowing them down. So I'll quickly show you guys around what it looks like now in the farm, and then take you guys along with the process of we harvesting the plantain. Okay, so I don't want to bore you, or I don't want to make this video long, lengthy. So let's basically do that now. Okay, let's go. So guys, as I said before, as you can see, this is what the farm is basically looking like now. This is farm situation. Everywhere is sorry for that noise, it's a bike. So everywhere is just, everything is done. Is it like the wind just came and blew away all the plantains, you see, because it has been long time since it rained here. So this is what it's basically looking like now, not just here but also here. You see, if I should walk inside, you'll be seeing a lot of damages, a lot. Like, see, let me go inside, I'll show you guys what I'm talking about. Because you see, my sisters, they're already harvesting. My dad is cutting it down. See what I'm talking about? You see? You see? So this is basically the situation of this one now. So guys, this is the current situation of this farm. So for those people asking that, asking me the amounts they can make in a year, I can't say, but because if something like this should happen, it will be at a big loss. So you can't really determine the amounts you will make in a year in plantain farming. But there are some seasons you won't even make anything, just like what you are seeing now. I don't think we are going to be having a lot of plantains here today because of the wind, and mostly all of them have fallen down, and all those ones that fell down is a big loss to us. So for those asking how much are they likely to make in a year, I can't say. It depends, it varies depending on the season and the weather and all. Okay, this girl na gacha. Do I biko? Plantain are the young. There's no plantain in the farm. Hungry. Now wow. They no plantain mommy. Can I can't wire? excuse. I check I see. You can't hear. So guys, as you can see they are not that big like before that we'll be expecting. It's not so big, but hopefully we get a bigger one soon because it's still inside. It's still going inside. Okay. And guys, I know I said I will I will come back to upload videos always, but I've been busy. A lot have been happening in my life, personally, privately, that I won't be sharing now, but hopefully in the future, when I'm comfortable sharing it, I will. Okay, so basically this is what the farm looks like. It's so dry. It's so dry in here that I don't know why, because of there's no rain. Plantains are looking they're not looking healthy at all. And we have invested a lot in this farm, in manuring, weeding, a lot, but the rain refused to fall, causing the plantain to, most of them is even dying. So for this one that fell down, they are dying. So that is basically it. That is what is happening in this farm today. For those that are asking me about the farm, and yes, this farm is 1 acre. Someone asked me how many plots of land. It's 1 acre. An acre is 6 plots of land, so that is it. Okay. I don't know. What are you? Ha, cá không ghé thầu. Xe cái. Buka so. Which kind of thing is this? Hello. Mbak buka nggak waktu di. Let's see kan hafu kahi. Wudu te gwa ya ka. Gawa sama hepa ku to plantain. Asu. For you, Zosame. Mechitu Zomuta. What are this next one now, Mimi? That's where them starts. Try again. Hey, Mumu not too much. So guys, we are selling it now. This lady here, she came to buy some of the plantains. This just half set. This is the half of it. There's still another one in the farm. We'll still be going back to pick the rest. So we are selling this one now to her. So guys, this is all we have been able to harvest so far, as you can see. So this is me basically doing actual of this vlog. Guys, if you have watched up to now, thank you so much for watching, so stopping by. And this is the amount we got today. And if you are in need of plantain, you are into plantain business, and you are in need of plantain, you need a supplier, I'm always here to supply to you wherever you are in the world. Kindly do well to reach out to me by commenting on the comment section, and we'll talk from there, okay? So with that being said, this is basically me ending this vlog. Thank you all for watching up till now. And if you find my content helpful, if you find this video entertaining, helpful, please do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Turn up your notification bell so you're notified whenever I upload a new video. So with that being said, see you guys in my next video. Bye.